माननीय वी विजय साई रेड्डी, माननीय वी विजय साई रेड्डी।
Thank you, thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. The Honorable Prime Minister, while first imposing the lockdown, has categorically said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." Sir, post unlock of the country, the central government approach of balancing the lives and livelihoods have been much appreciated by conducting regular meetings with the chief ministers to discuss strategies to reduce the spread of COVID. The Honorable Prime Minister has also united the country emotionally, sir. Sir, despite the financial crisis, economic crisis, the Andhra Pradesh government strategy has been three-pronged strategy which effectively reduces the health suffering and the economic suffering. Sir, the first, there are three-pronged strategy. First is testing. Andhra Pradesh stands number 1, and it is almost testing 72,000 people per day, which has made its rank number 1 per million among the states with the population of more than 3 crores. Sir, in fact, I am one of the sufferers of COVID, and I know the importance of early detection that can never be understated, sir. Sir, next is the treatment. Sir, anyone testing positive can get themselves treated without paying a single pai under YSR Arogyasri scheme, under which the patients with an annual income of 5 lakhs are given free COVID treatment, sir. Sir, the schemes even covers the more private hospitals also. That is the extent of benefits that are being given to the patients who are being treated for corona. Further, sir, to assist the patient, a system of help desk by the Arogya Mitra have been set up in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, Andhra Pradesh state government has planned to spend a whopping 15,337 crores for overhauling the entire state of healthcare infrastructure. Just in the first phase, more than 4,900 out of total 7,458 health subcenters will get new buildings, while the rest 2,552 will be modernized, sir. Sir, Andhra Pradesh, sir, one important issue which I would like to bring to your kind notice, despite the odds that Andhra Pradesh government has been receiving, both from economic point of view and also from the judiciary point of view, and in terms of COVID treatment, Andhra Pradesh is much ahead of much ahead, sir. Sir, a quite unusual and legally questionable decisions, because it has been not only, Andhra Pradesh has not only been suffering economically and financially, but also judicially. Sir, a quite unusual and legally questionable decision has been in the interim order of Andhra Pradesh High Court imposing the ban on media and even social media for mentioning anything relating to FIR filed by the police against the former Advocate General of the state and others, sir. It is unusual in the sense that there appears to be no material to justify such censorship other than the allegation by the petitioner that it is foisted the case, and it also accompanied by an order saying that the
please speak on the subject, Mr. Reddy.
Open to the High Court to grant stay.
Vijay Sai Reddy ji, please speak on the subject.
When political vendetta.
Otherwise, I will move to the other speaker. Please.
That too by someone who has served the previous regime as a law.
Vijay Sai Reddy ji, please speak on the subject.
And public scrutiny is all the.
Vijay Sai Reddy ji, please speak on the subject.
Petitioner would benefit from the complete absence of any reportage is unclear. It prevents the legitimate comment even to the effect that there is no substance in the allegation.
We are discussing COVID. Please speak on that.
That is what I am saying, sir. Despite the odds from the judiciary, onslaught from the judiciary, Andhra Pradesh government has been contributing the best to the COVID treatment, and it is doing its best, sir. In fact, the right to freedom of the speech has been, in fact, the governments imposed the gag order. In the Andhra Pradesh, alternatively, it is the judiciary which is imposing the gag order,
please.
And the judiciary is not impartial. Judiciary is
please conclude now. V. Vijay Sai Reddy ji, conclude.
It has to be stopped.
Conclude. I will move to the other speaker now, please. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.